the fasting is not related only to our physical being, but it must also affect our psychological, spiritual, and emotional being. So the Prophet ﷺ had said, fasting is a shield. So the fasting person should avoid lewdness and ignorant behavior. And if someone fights him or curses him, he should tell him twice, Inni sa'imun, I am fasting. So in these 5 days, we try to implement this principle, which we want to exist throughout our fast of Ramadan. That we avoid in our speech and in our actions any form of lewdness or corrupt behavior or ignorant behavior. And if people seek arguments, then we just say, I'm fasting. Sorry, excuse me please, I'm fasting. And if we are able to do that, then we have set the stage for a Ramadan which inshallah will be one acceptable to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and one which would make a difference and a change in our lives.